Having trouble getting your PAC code from Tesco Mobile? A PAC code is essential for transferring your phone number to another network. If you've requested yours but haven't received it, don't worry. First, ensure your account has been active for at least 30 days and that there are no outstanding bills or contract locks, as Tesco Mobile will flag ineligible requests. Then, double-check that you've entered your request correctly, whether via text, the Tesco Mobile app, or by contacting support. Common reasons for non-delivery include spam filters blocking SMS, incorrect contact details on your account, or even server overloads, especially during peak porting seasons. The good news is that Tesco Mobile allows unlimited PAC requests without penalties. Let's explore the specific request methods and how to resolve common issues. To request your PAC code via text, simply send the word PAC to 448888 from your Tesco Mobile number. This request should be free and nearly instant. Alternatively, you can request your PAC code through the Tesco Mobile app. Log into the app and navigate to Account, then Port My Number and select Get PAC Code. The code will be sent to your registered email or via SMS. If those methods don't work, contact Tesco Mobile support directly. Call 0345 300 1111, which is free from a Tesco SIM, or use the live chat on their website. Have your account details ready for verification. If you don't receive your PAC code, check for typos in your request. If all else fails and you still haven't received your PAC code, try again after 24 hours. Reach out to Ofcom and file a complaint. For the app, Ofcom will step in to active data connection. And if it crashes, to avoid third-party apps reinstalling the requests, as they violate Ofcom rules and could be scams.